Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. It's me Sadia. If you're new here, so welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do a party makeup or wedding makeup if you're going to someone's wedding. Actually today I'm going to my friend's wedding and I thought why not share with you this makeup tutorial. I do a really simple and easy makeup tutorial here and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my videos. So yeah, let's get started. So guys, here I am exfoliating my face first. I always say in my videos, whenever you do heavy makeup, party makeup or any kind of makeup, you have to exfoliate your face first. So here I'm exfoliating my face and after that I'm going to remove all the dead skin from my face. And now here I am using this mist spray. This is an aloe vera and rose water mist spray. I love the smell of this mist spray. So guys, now here I'm taking this cat serum. Inshallah in my coming video I'm going to give you a review about this serum, how is it, how it works. So here I'm going to take this serum and apply on my all over the face. And here I'm going to take this Pretty Vulgar undercover concealer and the price is $25. I'm going to take this concealer and apply on my eyelid area, and then after that I'm going to take this beauty blender and blending very well. So guys, here I'm taking this hard candy loose powder and I'm going to apply on my eyelid area to set my concealer. And here I'm taking this my most favorite eye palette. I don't know why I always use this palette. I just love this palette. I'm going to take this orange shade, and for a brush I'll give you a link on the description box. Please kindly go and check it out, which company is it and what kind of brush is this. This is a really nice brush. If you are a beginner, I definitely tell you guys try this brush. So I'm applying this shade on my crease line and blending very well. So here I'm taking this maroon shade and applying on my outer corner area. Here I'm going to apply this eyeshadow on the circular motion. So here I have applied this eyeshadow on circular motion. You can see here. I just want to show you guys how I apply this eyeshadow on outer corner area to get a neat and clean eyeshadow. And now guys, here I'm taking this pink color and this is a really nice and vibrant pink color. I'm going to take this one and apply on my half of lid of area. You can see here I'm just applying on the half of lid, not on the full lid, just applying on here. So guys, here I'm taking this loose eyeshadow and this is a vibrant color, which is a pink color, like shocking pink color, and it's really good and really nice eyeshadow. I buy this eyeshadow from AliExpress. I'll give you a link on the description box. Please go and kindly check it out. Here I'm using this flat brush and I just wet my brush with the setting spray. You can use a water and then apply on my eyelid area. And guys, you can see here the eyeshadow, it looks so beautiful, and you can see there's some black eyeshadow on my eyelid area as well. So here I'm using this Morphe brush and number is 587, and here I'm taking the same brown shade which I used it before on my outer corner area, and I'm going to apply on just a crease line to fix this eyeshadows. So here I'm using this pink eyeshadow and applying on my again eyelid area, not on the full eyelid area, just a crease line and little bit on the lower eyelid area. So now for a brow bone, I'm using this eyeshadow, the silver shade, and applying on my brow bone area. And I'm using this eyeshadow, the maroon shade, and applying on my outer corner area to fix my all the shades together and mix it very well. And here I'm taking the same shade and applying on my lower lashes and blending very well. And for eyebrows, I'm taking this Essence eyebrow powder and applying on my eyebrow area. I'm just making a shape first and then fill the eyebrows with this eyebrow powder. I don't know guys how you do it, but I always make my eyebrows like that. Here my eyebrows is almost complete, and I'm going to apply a eyeliner on my eyes. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use this Miss Rose gel eyeliner, which is really good, really nice and creamy. I already give you a tutorial plus review for this eyeliner. Please go and kindly check it on the description box, or I can give you a link on the iCard button so you can check it out over there. And here I'm taking same eyeliner, Miss Rose eyeliner, and I'm going to apply on my lower lashes as well, and then blending with the brush. So now here I'm taking the same color, the maroon shade, and here I'm using the e.l.f. pencil brush and applying on my lower lashes area and blending this shade together with the black eyeliner and with the shade. Now it's turned to the mascara because I'm going to apply eyelashes, but before that I have to apply a mascara on my eyelashes. So here I'm using this It Cosmetics eyelashes mascara. So here my eyelashes is done too, and now here I'm using this stick, and this is from a Wet n Wild illuminating stick, which is really good. I'm using the first time, but definitely I'll give you a review on my coming videos. So here I'm using this stick on my face and just tapping with my fingertips. It work really nice guys. So here I'm using this foundation from a Makeup Revolution, number is F9. I usually use the heavy coverage foundation whenever I go to the parties or any wedding. This one is my most favorite, Makeup Revolution plus MAC foundation and L'Oreal. Three of them is my most favorite for outgoing routine. So I always take time to blending my foundation because foundation is a key of your makeup. And here guys, I'm taking the same concealer, Pretty Vulgar concealer, and applying on my under eye area, my nose area, forehead and chin side. I'm using the beauty blender, wet beauty blender, and blending this concealer very well. And guys, here I'm using this loose powder, and this is from a Marcel loose powder, which is a really good, and I'm just applying on my under eye area. So guys, here I'm taking this brush and apply with this brush all over my face. Here I'm taking this blush on. This is from a Wonder Beauty blush on palette, which is really good. And here I'm not doing any contouring on my face. That's why I'm using this brown shade. So I'm going to apply on my cheekbone area, a little bit on forehead and jawline area as well. So now you can see here it looks so beautiful. I love this palette. And for highlighter, I'm using this Huda Beauty highlighter palette and applying on my cheekbone area. Actually, I love this highlighter palette. I always use this one. So here you can see I'm applying on my cheekbone area and the brow bone area as well. And here I'm taking the same highlighter and applying on my nose area. So guys, here I'm contouring my nose because I didn't do any contour my face. So here I'm contouring my nose and I'm using the same palette, the Wonder Beauty Blush On. And here I'm taking this hard candy loose powder and applying on my face to look my makeup smooth and clean. And for a brush, I'm going to use this brush, and this is my new brush. It's really nice and soft, and I'm going to blending my all the loose powder from this brush. And here you can see my eyeliner is not done yet, guys. And I'm taking this lip gloss, and this is a lip gloss I from AliExpress, and I already give you a review about this lip gloss. I'm taking this lip gloss and apply on my lip area. And actually here I'm using two shades. One is the shocking pink and one is a nude shade. And here's the nude color, and here I'm taking this color and apply my lips area. So guys, here I'm going to fix my eyeliner, and here I'm taking this Essence black eye pencil and applying on my lower lashes waterline, then blending with the pencil brush. Okay guys, this is my final look, and I just straight my hair. I didn't do curl my hair because I don't like curling my hair. My face looks so fat whenever I do curl my hair. So you can see the jewelry. I love this jewelry. It's really nice, chunky, and it's really nice and lightweight. So yeah, that's all guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you like it, so please give me a big thumbs up, like, subscribe, and share this video. Don't forget to turn on the notifications bell so you don't miss my any video. I'll see you soon guys on my next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye, take care of yourself.